How to archive and unarchive WhatsApp chats on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your WhatsApp. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, navigate to the chats page. Once you're over here, you're gonna find the list of the conversation. Now, head over to any of the conversation that you wanna archive. Just swipe to the left. You will find the option of archive. Click on that. With that, the chat will be archived. Do the same for other conversation as well. Swipe to the left, click on archive option. Now, how to unarchive? For that, click on the option of archive given at the very top. Now, in this page, you're gonna find the list of the chats that you have archived. Swipe to the left, click on unarchive. With that, the chat will be available in the chat section. Do the same for other chats as well. So this way, you are able to archive and unarchive WhatsApp chats on iPhone. If this guide helped you, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.